negligible impact of the El Nino phenomena.
Good news on the monsoon front this year. The Indian Met Department has forecast near normal monsoon. The annual rainfall during the June to September rainy season is likely to be 96% of a long-term average. The monsoon in India is considered to be normal when the long-period average is between 96% and 104%. The LPA is the average rainfall between 1951 and 2000, which is 89 centimeters. Anything between 90% and 95% of the LPA falls under the below normal category.
The southwest monsoon seasonal rainfall for the country as a whole is likely to be near normal, and quantitatively the monsoon seasonal rainfall June to September rainfall is likely to be 96% of the long period average, with a model error of plus or minus 5%.
The IMD has said that the El Nino conditions are prevailing over the equator but expects it to weaken throughout the monsoon season, which lasts between June and September. This will lead to the possibility of a normal monsoon.
स्ट्रांग एल नीनो बनने के आसार बिल्कुल नहीं है और उसकी वजह से मानसून के ऊपर उसकी प्रभाव कम या बिल्कुल ही नहीं रहने का विचार किया गया। दोनों एल नीनो और मानसून एक दूसरे को प्रभाव को कम करते हैं, उसकी वजह से पूरा भारतवर्ष में अच्छी बारिश की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रहेगा।
The IMD's second stage monsoon forecast is expected in June. There is very less chance for the monsoon rainfall to be above normal or excess. The country is expected to have well-distributed rainfall scenario during the monsoon season, which will be beneficial to the farmers in the country during the upcoming Kharif season. With inputs from Nishant Saurabh, Newsnight Desk, DD India.